it's Kata, and look out because I am in the mood to clean. For me, whenever I get the slightest motivation to clean, I have to jump on it because I'm kind of lazy. I've come to accept that about myself. But right now, I have more than just a slight motivation. I have a mega motivation. It's a summer thing. Okay, and today I'm doing a major overhaul. So I have 2 doll rooms. Technically, I have 2 half doll rooms. So 1 whole doll room. 1 room is this room here, where I like to keep all of my Barbies on a display shelf. I also have a little smaller area here where I do some like displays with play sets. Downstairs, I have another half room that is where the majority of my doll stuff goes to die. That can't stand anymore. Both of these rooms have to be completely reorganized, including moving all of my dolls up here to live together in the same room. I think this will really help me keep focused on what I have, what I don't need, and allow these dolls to really thrive. I know that sounds funny, but if my dolls are tucked away in storage or someplace where I never go, I don't exactly remember all that I have unless I'm looking at them every day. Out of sight, out of mind, right? No more. I want them all to be together in this room where I'm at every day. So I went so far as to buy 2 more of these larger bookcases. And then I'm going to move all of my Monster High dolls that I organized last year on a bookcase downstairs. I'm going to move them all up here. Then I'm putting another new bookcase downstairs, and then all of those bookcases down there will be neatly organized and all the same types of stuff. All dolls up here, all doll things downstairs. Why didn't I think of this before? This is my Barbie shelf. Next to it is a short bookcase where I display dolls and playsets and things. And clearly it's a cluttered mess too. This short bookcase is getting moved across the room to here. One challenge, there's a heat vent under this little cat house, which isn't an issue right now in the summer, but the vent needs to be accessible and the short bookcase sits flush with the floor. So I bought these 2-inch risers to prop up the bookcase to allow airflow. Hopefully it works. Also, we have this other stray bookshelf that holds my husband's toys and watches and stuff. I am moving this bookshelf across the room next to the Barbie shelf. And then I'm assembling a new 3rd shelf, which will create an entire wall of shelving.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Here's the new wall of shelving. I'll be bringing up all of my Monster High dolls from downstairs and adding them to this new bookshelf. The short bookcase is now under the window, complete with added risers. Everything looks so much nicer in this room, and soon all of my dolls will be together. Keep watching. Okay, it's a new day, a new project. I'm down in the basement. It's my other half doll room. And this, I'm embarrassed to show you guys. But I think as doll collectors, we can all kind of relate to when our collection gets out of control. Especially when you're active with it, you know, and you play with it, and you set up scenes, and you do stuff, and then you take it down in a hurry. and then it turns into this. I've even cleaned this up before. I did a video last year at this time, putting all of those Monster High dolls on that bookcase. I'm going to be moving them upstairs to that new shelf. But in the meantime, this must be cleaned. And I don't want to. Plus, I'm putting a new bookcase down here to help move some of this clutter off of the floor onto the bookcase. And with the Monster High dolls moving back upstairs, this should all be doll things. What's the saying? A place for everything and everything in its place? That's what I want. So, I don't want to do this. But I'm gonna. We're doing it. We are doing this. Wish me luck. Okay, go. Alright, it is day 3 and we have made progress. Yesterday I put together this brand new bookcase and tucked it in with the other two so that now I have an entire wall of shelving. I also removed this giant table that was here that was just a cesspool of clutter collection, stuff on top of it, stuff underneath it, stuff all around it. It's all folded up and tucked away. It is out of here. And now I've got these two smaller shelves. So this whole area is ready to move back stuff. You might also notice something missing. All of my Monster High dolls. That's because they are all going upstairs into that new room and new wall of shelving so that all my dolls can be together in one room. This area down here is going to be the space for all of my doll things. What? What's all the noise? Hello? Walter and I find that the best way to organize is to pull everything out of the space that you want cleaned. You don't want to look over there right now. I know. See? He's like, what the hell? It's a mess. But that way we can go through every single piece. I can see everything that I got. I can touch every single thing. Then I can decide what I don't want to put back. Then I can get rid of it, donate it, sell it, throw it away if it's garbage. So that's my next step today. I am pulling out all of this stuff over there into the mess, and then one by one bringing it back in a nice, clean, organized way. This is gonna look really good when I'm done. Okay, here we go. Gonna help me, Walter? He's at least gonna supervise.